Topic is defects in weld. What is welding defects? Welding defects are generated in the welding job due to faulty or poor techniques used by the inexperienced or unskilled welder or due to fundamental difficulties in the welding operation. An ideal weld or good weld should be such that adequate fusion exists between the filler metals and the edge preparation together with a good penetration. Welding defects are broadly classified into two categories, and those are external welding defects. Defects occur on the upper surface of the welded work. Internal welding defects. Defects occur under the surface of welding works. Now, external welding defects are classified into following types. Incorrect profile. Welding is not done properly. Crater. A large cavity occurs where electrode sparks continues on the single point. Cracks. Spatter and surface porosity on the welded parts. There some drop occurs. Incomplete filled groove. Not filled completely. Destruction. This occurs where not welded properly. And internal welding defects are classified into following categories: blowholes and internal porosity, cracks, inclusions, lacks of fusion, incomplete fusion.